Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business without holding inventory or spending thousands upfront? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to launch a print-on-demand business using Printful, step by step. And it's beginner-friendly. Let's make some passive income. Oh, and if you stick around till the end, I'll share a bonus tip to maximize your profits, so don't miss it. I am not an affiliate marketer for Printful. I genuinely believe they are the best. I gain nothing by promoting them. So what is print on demand, or POD? It's where you create products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, but you don't need to hold any stock. Companies like Printful do all the hard work for you, printing, packing, and shipping, while you focus on creating and selling. Let's dive in. Step 1, pick your niche. First things first, niches. What's a niche? It's a specific audience or interest you cater to. Think of groups like dog moms, plant lovers, or travel enthusiasts. The more specific, the better. Instead of just coffee mugs, think funny mugs for cat lovers. Here's how to choose your niche. Brainstorm interests you're passionate about. It'll make the journey more enjoyable. Validate your niche using free tools like Google Trends, Etsy, or Pinterest to see what's trending. Remember, a good niche has high demand and low competition, something people are excited to buy but not oversaturated. Step 2. Choose a platform. You'll need an online storefront. You have two main options. Shopify. Perfect if you want full control of your store's branding and features. Etsy. Great for beginners because it's a built-in marketplace where people are already searching for unique products. If you're tech-savvy, Shopify gives you more customization. If you're a beginner, Etsy's simplicity might be a better fit. Quick cost breakdown. Shopify has a monthly fee, currently starting at around $29 a month. Etsy charges per listing, 20 cents per product, and a small transaction fee. Pick what works best for your goals and budget. Step 3. Set up your Printful account. Next, head over to Printful.com. Sign up for a free account and connect Printful to your chosen platform, Shopify, Etsy, etc. Printful's integration is seamless and they guide you step by step. Here's why Printful is amazing. They handle everything: printing, fulfillment, and shipping. You don't need to hold any inventory. Orders are automatically synced to Printful once someone buys from your store. Simple, right? Now let's get creative. Step 4. Create your designs. Don't worry, you don't need to be Picasso. Use free tools like Canva or even Printful's built-in design features to create simple yet eye-catching designs. Tips for creating: keep it niche-specific. If you're targeting dog lovers, use fun dog quotes or paw print graphics. Look for inspiration on Etsy or Pinterest. But remember, no copying, always put your own spin on it. Once your designs are ready, save them as high-quality PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You're all set to upload. Step 5. List your products. Now it's time to list your products. Here's how: upload your designs to Printful. Choose the products you want to sell: t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, hoodies, etc. Set your pricing. Make sure to include a profit margin. For example, if Printful charges $10 for a t-shirt, price it at $20 to $25. Printful automatically syncs your products to your store. This means you'll see them live and ready for purchase within minutes. Step 6. Market your store. You've done all the hard work. Now it's time to tell the world about your amazing products. Here are some beginner-friendly marketing ideas. Use Instagram or Pinterest to showcase your designs. Post regularly and use niche-specific hashtags like #DogMomLife or Plant Lovers Unite. Join Facebook groups related to your niche. Build genuine connections before promoting your products. If you have a small budget, consider running simple ads on Instagram or Etsy. Pro tip: behind-the-scenes content is a big hit. Share how you're designing products or your first sale. It makes your store relatable and fun. Call to action and closure. And that's it. You now have everything you need to launch your own print-on-demand business with Printful. The key is just to get started. Don't let perfection hold you back. If you're ready to take action, click the link below to sign up for Printful and start building your dream business today. And hey, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. So what are you waiting for? Your dream business is just a few clicks away. Hit that like button if this video helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online empire.